You are looking for Gemini information? You want to understand a Gemini. You're flirting a Gemini. This article will help you a lot. By Explore Gemini Thought 80 Interesting Facts About Gemini, all your problem will be solved. Interesting Facts About Gemini Personality. Facts 1. Gemini thinks too much. Facts 2. As a Gemini, you're extremely independent, so anyone who thinks they can control you is going to have a problem. Facts 3. Gemini is most likely to speak up to defend you in your time of need. Facts 4. Gemini can make friends with anyone, they're just cool like that. Facts 5. It doesn't take much to make a Gemini happy, but it takes even less to make them mad. Fact 6. A Gemini blowing up at you can seem weird because 20 minutes ago everything was all good. Fact 7. They can be having the most fun and then suddenly want to go home. Facts 8. More than anything, a Gemini needs a strong mental connection with someone, and they don't find this too often in life. Facts 9. If it wasn't for the fact that the body naturally falls asleep, Gemini would be up all day thinking. And thinking. Facts 10. Gemini spots the little things about a person that others miss. Facts 11. As a Gemini, you always pay attention to what people do, because a person's actions are much more important than their words. Facts 12. Geminis are the type that's comfortable with being single because they don't need someone to make them happy, they got themselves. Facts 13. Even if a Gemini is going through the worst of times, they keep going because they know there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Facts 14. A hurt, stressed, or all-around annoyed Gemini will shut everything and everyone out. Facts 15. Gemini prefers meaningful relationships over fly-by-night, senseless encounters. Fact 16. Gemini equals often misunderstood. Fact 17. Their personality is half cool as fuck, and half what the fuck. Facts 18. Gemini will argue vehemently for what they believe to be true. Facts 19. One of the good things about Gemini is that they don't overreact to things. They play it cool, even if they're calling you all kinds of names on the inside. Facts 20. Geminis don't do temporary relationships. Facts 21. Gemini will never fully let anyone in. Facts 22. Gemini has a strong dislike towards anything boring. Facts 23. Geminis aren't afraid to admit when they are wrong because they know nobody is perfect. Facts 24. As flirtatious as they can be, Geminis do not do temporary relationships. You're either in or you're out. Facts 25. Loving a Gemini is both a complicated and rewarding experience. They know how to test you but also how to love you like no other. Facts 26. The Gemini will win, always. Facts 27. When Gemini are good, they are attractive. When they are bad, they are very attractive. Facts 28. Gemini is a secret manipulator, they always get their own way without a scene. Facts 29. A Gemini won't fight for your attention, so if you ignore them it will be your loss and someone else's gain. Facts 30. Geminis suffer from moodiness, however they hide this from close friends and family as they want to appear happy all the time. Facts 31. Nobody, and I mean nobody, switches up their moods faster than a Gemini. Facts 32. Gemini will give you the world on a silver platter until you show them you're not worthy. Facts 33. They can tell pretty quickly if you're their cup of tea. Or not. Facts 34. For all their talk, Gemini are surprisingly shy. Facts 35. If you broker or at the least put a dent in a Gemini's trust, no words of assurance can ever bring your relationship to how it was before. Facts 36. Gemini are monogamous and take their romantic love relationships very seriously. Gemini people enjoy life more when they are in a committed relationship where they can have someone to share life and all their quirkiness with. Facts 37. Gemini is only aggressive when they feel like it's necessary. Facts 38. Geminis don't fall in love easily, but they do make people fall in love with them easily. Facts 39. Two things about a Gemini that can make a relationship with them hard: they can be stone cold at times and they flip-flop a lot. Facts 40. Gemini is always craving for someone to laugh with. Facts 41. Geminis will give you the world on a silver platter until you show them you're not worthy. Facts 42. Gemini is always craving for someone to laugh with. Facts 43. You haven't been crazy in love until you date Gemini. They are a mixture between sweet and crazy. Facts 44. Don't argue with a Gemini. Their razor blade tongue will cut you up and leave you crying for mama. Facts 45. Gemini don't fall in love easily, but they do make people fall in love with them easily. Facts 46. You must catch a Gemini's mind before you catch their heart. Facts 47. Loving a Gemini is both a complicated and rewarding experience. They know how to test you but also how to love you like no other. Facts 48. Gemini is most likely to speak up to defend you in your time of need. Facts 49. A Gemini blowing up at you can seem weird because 20 minutes ago everything was all good. Facts 50. When a Gemini loves you, they love with all they have. Facts 51. Count on a Gemini to shower you with positive energy, compliment you on a regular basis and never kick you when you're down. Facts 52. How to get on their side, make them laugh. Facts 53. One of the biggest things you can do to irritate a Gemini is take everything they say personally. Emotions can become a roadblock when trying to communicate, so they try to talk candidly to others. Facts 54. Geminis have high standards. Whether it's in the people they date or their grades and jobs. Facts 55. In a relationship, Gemini wants to be with someone who cares enough to teach them things and help them grow. Someone who appreciates a closeness and bond. Facts 56. Once you hug a Gemini, you'll never want to leave the warmth of the embrace. Facts 57. A Gemini isn't the type to just say I love you. They will only say it if they mean it. Facts 58. Playing a Gemini is not a good idea. Before you decide your second move, they're on their fifth. Facts 59. If you love a Gemini, hold your voice and show them. They prefer to be showed than to be told. Fact 60. Gemini love and appreciate romanticism. Fact 61. Don't suffocate a Gemini, give them trust and enough space and they won't go anywhere. Fact 62. When Gemini end a conversation with bye. You can be certain you just pissed them off. Fact 63. When Gemini are not doing well, they tend to detach and retreat from human contact. Fact 64. Gemini is that one person who gives the best pep talks known to mankind. Fact 65. Gemini have a hard time trusting because they know what people are capable of firsthand. They know those roads well. Fact 66. Gemini does not have time for irrelevance, in other words, if they feel you don't matter. You don't. Fact 67. Gemini can be serious one moment and then cracking jokes the next. You never know that to expect from them. Fact 68. A question that this sign need answered: why do people assume they can control me? Fact 69. Gemini will drop everything they're doing to help you. Fact 70. The best curve on Gemini is their smile. Fact 71. Gemini likes to talk things out face to face rather than resorting to texting. Fact 72. Geminis are great storytellers and writers. Fact 73. A Gemini female is among the most desirable of the zodiac. Fact 74. Gemini present themselves well in public. They are a real charmer. Fact 75. Gemini's the only sign that can have good sex with every other sign. Fact 76. Geminis will be mad one second and happy the next. Fact 77. Qualities of Gemini sign are numerous, although they often do not reveal themselves on the first look. Fact 78. Look twice, though, and you'll find that your loved one has many traits and that there's way more to Gemini zodiac sign than what meets the eye. Fact 79. Inquisitive, opinionated, talkative and with multiple interests, Geminians are fun to be around. Facts 80. They have emotions, of course, and can fall victim to them just as anyone else, but are able to deal with the situation extremely well and make very good decisions.